everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I'm just popping on here to do a quick little video. You guys, most of you know that I went over 100,000 subscribers, and a lot of people have asked to see the award, and it finally is here. So I wanted to share it with you guys and open it up and see how it looks. But I just want to say thank you to everybody. I really appreciate it. It's something I never even considered that I would be getting. I just wanted to do crafts. I love doing crafts. I love sharing my crafts. And you guys know I'm not big about talking on camera. It's just not my thing. But anyway, I'll talk to you about crafts all day long. So I wanted to show it to you guys, and thank you all so much. And I'm going to turn it back over here on my craft table, and we're going to open it up and check it out. Alright, so I got the tape. I think I got all the tape off. And we are going to... Now this is how it comes in here. I have this little card here that says that it was inspected by Rick. So thank you, Rick, for inspecting my award. And then you just get this general letter that everyone gets. And it's signed by Susan Wojcicki, whatever. And it's very nice. It's just you know, a congratulation award, but it's just a general letter. Everybody pretty much gets this with their awards. But anyway, here it is underneath all of this nice foam that they packed it in here. And looky here, get it out. Look how pretty. It's all nice and mirrored here with a play button. Let's get it out of the plastic. There we go. And look at that. Isn't that nice? I can't wait to hang this up here on my wall. This is just so exciting. This is just something, like I said, I never even considered this when I started my channel. I just thought it would be something fun to do, and I love doing crafts, and I love, you know, doing my Dollar Tree hauls and things. It's just so much fun, and this is really nice. And they're not, it says they're engraved, but you know what? This is on top. This is kind of printed on here anymore. They've changed these up quite a bit, these awards. But this is all nice and mirrored here with your little play button. And just says, presented to Jody's Craft Room for passing 100,000 subscribers. So now I can get the gold one once I hit 1,000,000 subscribers. Oh, I don't see that happening. But anyway, thank you guys all so much again. I just wanted to share it with you guys since, you know, you guys are the reason I got this. And just show you how pretty it is. And I was so happy that it came. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed seeing this, and I will see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.